Right now, you trust dinner. It sits on a plate, clean, warm, and suspiciously polite. Ancient humans had no menu, no fridge hummed behind them, no label whispered safe, no app delivered backup fries. There was hunger, there was weather, there was one big question. What did ancient humans actually eat? The answer is not just meat. That story is too simple and honestly too tidy. The real diet was messy. It changed with every landscape. Forests offered different meals. Coasts offered different meals. Ice Age grasslands did too. Your ancestors were not picky. They could not afford picky. They ate what worked. And worked meant one thing. It kept you alive tomorrow. The popular image is clear. A caveman holds a steak. A fire glows dramatically nearby. Everyone looks protein-focused. But archaeology ruins the poster. By 2.6 million years ago, early humans cut animal bones. The prize was meat and marrow, not fancy steakhouse portions, more like risky leftovers. Hyenas had teeth. Lions had confidence. Humans had sharp stones. That is not fine dining. That is competitive scavenging. But it gets better. Meat was only one chapter. At Cuisine River in South Africa, 120,000 years ago, humans roasted starchy plants. Roots and tubers mattered, the boring potato cousins, the ones nobody paints. But starch is survival fuel. It fills the belly. It feeds a moving body. It lets children keep walking. That is not side dish energy. That is migration food. Then comes the fish. At Gesher Benot Yaakov, Israel, about 780,000 years ago, ancient people cooked large fish, not swallowed raw in panic, cooked carefully with heat. So yes, prehistoric dinner sometimes had lake food. Imagine the first fish barbecue. No sauce, no napkins, still probably smug. And plants kept appearing. Neanderthal teeth reveal clues. At Shanidar Cave in Iraq and Spy Cave in Belgium, dental calculus trapped plant remains. Starch grains and phytoliths stayed, like ancient food receipts. Some came from legumes, some from grass seeds, some from date palms. So the old joke fails. They were not only meat machines, they were flexible eaters. Ancient humans ate by season. Spring could mean greens, summer could mean berries, autumn could mean nuts, winter could mean bones. Coastal groups had shellfish, forest groups had roots, plains groups chased herds, rivers offered fish and birds. The diet was not one plan, it was 1,000 guesses. Some guesses were delicious, some guesses were dangerous. One mushroom could fool you, one berry could betray you. So knowledge became food. Grandmothers remembered safe plants. Hunters remembered animal trails. Children learned by watching. Mistakes were expensive teachers. Here's the strange part. Ancient human cuisine had rules, not written recipes, living memory. Smell this, boil that, avoid that bright thing, crack this bone, dig under that leaf, wait until it ripens. What food would ancient humans choose if they found your kitchen? Comment your answer below. Mine is probably bread. They would understand bread fast. Because farming came later, but hunger came first. Before supermarkets, food was geography. Before recipes, food was risk. Before diets, food was survival. So look at your plate. The meat, grain, fruit, salt. Every bite has a ghost, a hand that learned first, a mouth that tested danger, a body that remembered. Ancient humans did not eat the perfect ancient diet. They ate the possible one, and that's why you can.